Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Google Assistant for Nvidia Shield. And to do this, you will need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to enter settings. Here select device preferences and scroll down for Google Assistant. Now you can turn it on and off. If you want to turn it on, you will need to perform a quick setup. So let's do it like that, then allow to basically all of the questions. There was an introduction from YouTube on how the Google Assistant works, but if you want, you can skip it by clicking on the back button. When you go back, the Google Assistant is on, and to turn it off, click on that switch again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.